Hello, my dear students. Welcome to this amazing video of my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll explain you how you can improve your drawing reading skills. So I usually get a question from a lot of freshers. They say that we are finding very difficult to understand the structural drawing. Then how do we understand that? Because these things are not taught to you in the college level. Even if you go to the site, there is no one who is going to teach you. Even if they teach you, they just teach you how to read the drawings. But you don't understand the fundamentals behind that, like how a footing is designed, how a column is designed and all. And if you don't understand all these things, there's no point in you being a civil engineer, right? So for that, I'm gonna tell you one of my wonderful course that is available on Udemy. That is read construction and structural drawing like an expert with the help of ETABS. This is not the original cost of the course. You stay till the end of the lecture, you'll get the final amount which you're going to see. So before we start with this, okay, let me explain you what exactly I'm trying to tell. Let us consider tomorrow you got a job and this is a plan given to you. So first thing is that you should know how these plans are to be read. After the plan, we get a drawing called as footing layout. Now this is called as footing layout. So first you should understand how these drawings are to be read. Like these are the different footings, and then the name of the footing will be mentioned like F1A, F1, F2A, F3. Then we have F3, right? So what is the size of the footing? Those things will be mentioned here. So again, you should know how to read all these things. What do you mean by F1A pad? Length is given, breadth is given, depth is given. What do you understand by bottom reinforcement along the X, along the Y? Then comes the beam details, right? So all these things you should know how to read, and only if you know to read we can do the execution part, right? So this is one drawing I'm showing. Then you should know how to understand the cross section, what should be the thickness of the PCC, what should be the depth of excavation, what you're supposed to do. Each and everything has a civil engineer you should be knowing. Along with that, you should know how to read the column layout, right? Then what is the column details like C1, C2, C2A, C3 and C3 at the different column. What are the size of the column? What do you understand by all these things? What is 16 dia 4 bar? What is 12 dia 2 bar? All these things you should know. Along with that, you should know how the designing is also done, right? So in the same way, we have plain beam details, then we have plain beam, then we have ground, then something like this. This is the beam details, what is given. The size of the beam is 9 inch by 15 inch. Then what are the reinforcement you're supposed to provide? That is, you need to provide a 16 diameter 2 bar in the bottom. You need to provide a 12 diameter 2 bar continuously. Then comes your top left extra bar. Then comes your top right extra bar. Then you get a cross section, something like this. Then how do you understand all these things? What do you mean by 2L Y8 at 7 inches center to center spacing? What is the difference between the stirrup and the lateral ties, right? So this is a question what you usually encounter, and you don't have a solution to that. So in order to put you in a better platform, or in order to make you people aware of all these things, there's a one course of mine which is almost 28.5 hours. There are 248 ratings on this course, 4.3 star rating, 2,221 students have enrolled in the course. Now coming to the content, this is what you get to learn. So first we'll start with the architecture and structural drawing of a G+3 residential building. Each and everything I taught you right from the start, how to understand the plan, the center line layout, how the reinforcement is designed. Then according to Vastu, how you are supposed to plan any of your building. Then we go with the ETABS model, because only reading the drawing will not help you. You need to know how a structural engineer is going to do the designing of that. How the load is applied, how the analysis is done, how the designing is done. How do you identify like F1, F2, F3 footing? On what basis you are going to group them? Column C1, C2, C3, on what basis you are going to group them? All those things you should be knowing. That will be taught in this particular lecture. Then again, we'll go with a G+2 hostel building. Then again, we'll see the ETABS model for that. Then we'll try to check 3,400 square feet of a house plan. We'll understand how the house plan is done. And also then we'll try to see a 400 square feet bungalow plan with a swimming pool. We'll try to understand that. Then we'll see one of the industrial structure having 35,000 square meter, where most of the things is covered here. Then we go for the miscellaneous topics like windows drawing. Then we have substation area, foundation of a flagpole, sewage treatment plant, and all those things, right? So again, coming to this course, it has got 248 ratings. So you can go through all these ratings, right? So you can see all the ratings given by the students, and then you can enroll in the course. So we'll be starting something like this, all those things. And the staircase details, this is a slab layout what we have. What do you understand by a two-way slab? What is one-way slab? How it is designed? These things also you should be knowing. Then we'll check the staircase details, how to understand the staircase drawing, how this, what do you mean by rise? What do you mean by thread? Each and everything we are going to learn in this particular course. Okay. So for the enrollment, if you enroll it, the currently the price is like 3,900, but on offer I'm giving it for only 499 rupees. And I don't know how long this offer is gonna last, maybe for another 4 to 5 days. Then it will go back to its original price. If you're interested to enroll, there's a link given below in the comment section. You can click on the link that will take you directly to this particular course. And the best thing is that along with this course, I'll give you one of my course for free. There's one more course by name 7 days drawing reading. So this is one more course what I have. That is a 7 days mastery course to read the architectural drawing. This course I'm going to give absolutely free if you buy this particular course on the construction drawing. This course is also very similar to that, but there are a few other topics what I've added. So within 7 days, if you spend your time, you are able to master any of the drawing that is given to you, and you don't have to worry again in your life how to read the structural drawings. We have certain advanced topics in this, like a basement plus a ground plus a 3-story building we have, right? So most of the things I've covered it here. This particular course, you're going to get it for free if you enroll in this particular course. You just have to put it in the comment section that you have enrolled, and I'll give you a link for that. You can enroll in this course as a free course from my side. Got it? So I hope you have enjoyed this lecture. Other than that, I've explained you about my advanced quantity estimation course. I've explained you about my construction methodology course. This is the third video what I've done on my courses. So if you're interested to enroll in other courses, all the link will be given below in the comment section. Click on the link and that will take you to my course. Courses are available in both English and Hindi language. If you want to learn something in Hindi, then comment in the comment section. There is a link given to my app. You can download my Civil Brains app, and from there you can learn my contents in the Hindi language. So we'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.